Hello, welcome to this episode. I just bought this car. This has membrane here for the sun and for the look. The thing is that this is illegal here, the front, and I have to take it out. It was my first time. From the other window, it's already done. Now I'm going to do it this window. I'm not going to bother here because here it's not illegal, here is illegal. It's the Corolla. Now it blinks, makes a noise. I close the door and open again. I will need. Was easier than I was expecting, because I called the glass company and they told me bring it here and leave it for some hours, but it takes only 10 minutes, so very easy. You need this pistol, thermal pistol,
Heating.
which is 1750 watts. Okay, 2 skulls. Number 1, I heat here a little bit, make it warm, and I will start to have a playground. Now it gets softer. To tell you the truth, I saw it on YouTube and I make video. It's not like now. It's the difficult part is the beginning, because you don't have place, you burn your fingers. Only the beginning is a difficult part. I leave it all real. Okay, I'm almost done. Make it warm.
No.
This noise, it's not good because you have to clean. So now I have a playground. It starts to get easy. As long as you don't hear this noise, you do it right. A little bit heat, a little bit. All right. This is a Toyota Corolla Sport Touring 2022. Okay. Make it hot so you don't need to clean. No problem whatsoever. I use YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, and I do anything. I can cook, I can clean, I can repair, and I give value back. Sit down, relax. It's going to take 10 minutes per window. And this is what they are going to do anyway. You will get charged, spend your beautiful money, even if it's dollar, euro, or whatever this is, dinar. You need it, you keep it. All right, half window is gone. I have a helper here which holds the door without me telling anything. It's a genius guy. Okay, now I will lift the window. All right. Close the door, open the door. Noise is gone. Now it's winter in Greece. We are in Greece. Very cold. 15 degrees, 20. Today is 15 degrees, 13 in my city. In summer, maybe you need nothing, just take it outside. When it's 40 degrees or 100 in America. Ah, this is easy. This crack is what I don't need. And now I'm almost there. Almost. Beautiful. Done. And one important thing, you can see now the beautiful colors that Toyota has inside. And before you could not see. You can even see a beautiful face inside. If you are handsome, you don't need this. If you are not good looking, you suggest you to put here. Me, I'm average. So I can have it clear. If I was ugly, no good idea. Now average, okay. Look. Please.